Hello mga lods, this is si TH13 attack. Old troops and attack is easy to wipe team if you easy attack. Old troops, if you old troops attack is easy and basic attack for looting. For me, easy to attack it because I play little old attacks. It's called easy attack naman na. I put Pika here, all heroes, then Asgolin, then yes, not golden, that attack all that see. It's simple and basic attack. Yeah bro, anong putik. Damn, I use my, it's okay. Damn, my, I spin there. Bullshit man. Okay. Simple, easy, and wipe with book down. I'm little drunk man, but easy to wipe. Bully. Okay man, drop it in my later drop my priest build. Practice vlogging. I mean, this attack is first post. I don't know how to attack, but I can wipe this. I don't know.